The USS John Warner, a Virginia-class attack submarine commissioned in 2015, was involved in the U.S. missile strike into Syria on Friday night, the Pentagon confirmed. The Warner fired 6 Tomahawk missiles. We got the chance to tour the Warner as it was docked at Naval Station Norfolk in November 2017. Named after the former U.S. Senator John Warner, but nicknamed the Sledgehammer of Freedom by the crew, the Warner can perform a variety of missions for the U.S. Navy, including surveillance, reconnaissance, and search and rescue, as well as launch land attack missiles, torpedoes, and mines. U.S. submarines, including the Warner, are highly classified and rarely seen by the public. But we got to take a tour of it. Here's what we saw.
Inside each tube is an insert that holds 6 Tomahawk cruise missiles with a center access with a ladder that allows them to go below and connect each missile independently. The tube can be emptied out and the centers can be removed and allow it to have additional payload options as well. Basically, once this fills up with water, that little chamber right there would maintain with air until they're ready to open the hatch. Ship's control room. This is essentially the nerve center of the ship. So everything that is communicated as an order starts here. The officer deck will stand watch here. Sonar's on the left. Fire control's on the right. So raw data from sonar gets passed to fire control. Fire control develops a solution, determines course speed, etc. for the vessel, and then we make a decision about it. We drive the ship here from the pilot co-pilot station, and then we navigate from the center. So each respective member has input that feeds the officer deck in the center of the control room, and from that point he gets to make a decision about how to best posture the ship to do what the mission is. This is actually Voyage Management 2, and that's Voyage Management 1. And that's how we both plan and navigate the ship. This is fire control, so this is where raw sonar data comes in, and they use a series of advanced computers to basically process that information and turn it into a system of being able to see where ships are, where they're going, potentially their origin, and we might track a ship for 20 minutes, we might track a ship for 20 days, depending on what the mission requires. And then ultimately this is where the decision to fire a torpedo or missile would come from. So the XO is the second in charge, and he gets an extra bunk in here, so we have any distinguished visitors like our Commodore rides, he'll sleep in here with the XO. So this is the torpedo room, all right? As you come around, you'll see we're fully loaded out for deployment. And you can see here, these are Mark 48 advanced capability torpedoes.